This is my other really bad idea. Remember this crappy piece of carpet that we pulled out of the van? I was wondering if we could waterproof it by pouring FlexSeal all over it and seeing if we could just put it back, and then it would be still gray because it's gray, but more rubberized. This weekend should be fun. Okay, here's the nasty carpet that we pulled out of there. We're gonna repair it with tape right here, and then we're gonna try to seal it with all of this we're doing with FlexSeal. So that is the big plan right now because it fits in there. So we're basically gonna try to turn it into a rubber mat instead of a carpet mat to see if we can protect those wires still while making it still waterproof. Sort of an expensive way to go about it, but it already fits the space, so we're gonna try.
This is minivan.
Okay, it may be a ridiculous notion, but this is flex tape carpet repair. Step 1. Tape the rip.
Very spins involved. Oh man, I don't know.
Wait, is it just one piece?
Yes.
I'm confused. Why?
That's the thing, so it doesn't get stuck too soon. You need that. Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be great. We gotta cut strips. I think we need scissors.
Well, we can just do this. We're gonna do it on the outside, right? Go.
This is going great so far. We're gonna do it on the inside.
We are?
That's where we're gonna pour the liquid rubber.
Okay. Well, then I suggest we tape it together on the outside with regular tape first. Then...
Well, I thought we were gonna be doing both, but I didn't know that that was such a small amount of tape.
Yeah, she just got ripped off. That's what happened. Okay, keep your knife handy.
Flex tape is expensive to not give you any tape with your tape.
Yeah, I'm terribly upset about that whole situation.
Okay.
This is super stupid.
That carpet is so ugly from all of the rain.
This is impossible to work with. Just getting that out of ahead of time in case anybody didn't know.
Just slap flex tape on itself. It's already doing. I see it. I'm trying to hold still.
Gotta undo that before we do anything. Oh, it's screwed.
Ooh, look at you being badass. Okay, ready?
Not really good.
Do you want to leave that piece on there so you can hold it without taping your fingers?
There's no way to do that. Oh my god. Need that to stop doing that.
Okay, put it on the rag and then it'll stop doing it to your fingers.
That's not my fingers, that's the problem. You want to hold this up maybe?
Yes. It's totally gonna work. Just step on it. We need another piece for that bit up there, huh?
Yeah. But
Look, it's working.
Yeah,
Look, it's taped.
And then we'll get some spray on there. I think we could have just taped it and used the spray, to be honest.
We're gonna find out because that's where we're starting. Because I can return the liquid. It's expensive. Okay, so we ran out of the black, but we have some gray. We have to go get the Flex goo and open it, and then we're gonna pour it down here and see what happens. Okay, we're gonna read the directions. It says protective clothing and eyewear is recommended. Okay, so just a buck for this paintbrush. So I looked all over the internet trying to find somebody who had done anything like this with FlexSeal before. I've seen some people use FlexSeal for like the back of a mat to make it less slippy, but to try to waterproof the car mat for van life, I have not seen this, and probably because it's a really expensive way to do it. But because we've had so much mold on this thing, we just wanted to make it waterproof. I think maybe duct tape would probably have been a cheaper way to do it. We've come to kind of the end of what has been this ridiculous carpet project to attempt to waterproof the carpet that was already torn and broken. So let's take a look at where we ended up. So to the touch, you can tell it feels very rubbery in most of the places. Even like where we just sprayed it, it's a lot more waterproof feeling. You can see that the tape, however, has a limited hold. However, I think for our purposes, it's probably good. It's a really expensive piece of crap way to do things, but there you go. It's gonna be how we do it. So we're gonna put it back. Okay, so we're just gonna wipe this back out before putting the carpet in. Okay, that's as good as it gets. It's beautiful. Okay, cause it's round. Geometry. Just beautiful, beautiful. The moral of the story is FlexSeal / Flex Spray / Flex Tape is a very expensive way to semi-fix a moldy carpet for your vehicle, but you know, it is gonna function. It is gonna work, and it's not beautiful. I think there could be a better way to do this. So it's an expensive error in judgment, but this does you know, fit. So there's that.